I just asked Power Chef Pranav how he's going to eat the puri. He said, I'll eat puri with my pori. Pori means with girl. Soft puri goes very well with this recipe. So usually in the hotels we add a little bit of suji so that when the puri puffs up, it remains puffed for a long time. And when you see it served, you'll be like, wow, such a big puri still puffed up. That's because we add suji. This soft puri just with the whole wheat flour, salt, and just few drops of oil, not much. Now add water and make it into a medium stiff dough. Not too soft, not too tough. For a good puffed puri, always knead the dough well. When you're eating this puri, you want a little bit of mashed potato. Here are my chera potatoes, which I had extra boiled, so I'm using for this. Add pinch of salt and just mash it. That's it. Nothing else to this. You're going to eat this mashed potatoes with the skin and a pinch of salt and for the stuffing. Maybe a little bit of butter will make it even more tasty. Puri with salad, a little bit of mashed potato is something you will just fall in love with. For this cabbage salad, we're growing a lot of cabbage here. Power Chef Pranav just picked up one fresh. And eating something fresh that is grown organic is something you need to be blessed. So here, cabbage. I've never eaten this combination of fresh cabbage salad with puri. But I've learned this from my Bihari brothers here. And for breakfast, they just love this. So all you need to do is just shred and chop the cabbage fine. In this, you can add your favorite vegetables, cucumber, carrot. Add some nicely freshly chopped green chilli, some tomatoes, onion, and freshly chopped cilantro. That is freshly chopped coriander. And squeeze in some lime juice. And the awesome flavoring for this salad. This is a must, mustard oil. Raw mustard oil, add a little bit. You can also add a little bit of chaat masala, salt. Toss this. Mix it. For rolling, never use the flour. Add a little bit of oil. Then press it and roll it. So this way, when you fry, your oil will always remain fresh. Perfect. When you put one puri over another, they won't stick because of the oil. By adding a little bit of oil, when you roll and stack the puris, they won't stick to each other and you can roll them ahead and fry just before eating. When the oil is nice and hot, just add the puris one by one. Just press them and they will puff up really good. Look at it. Nice. Okay. I just asked Power Chef Pranav how he's going to eat the puri. He said, I'll eat puri with my pori. Pori means with girl. So you can have puris with your pori some other day, but how do we eat this?
Take a puri.
Puri?
Just like pani puri.
Oh, yeah.
Add this.
Salad. And
top up with potatoes.
Got it? Take a puri. Add some potatoes or whatever way. The first or second. Then top it up with some salad. That's it. Because we make them small puris, all of them go in one bite. Why this is so tasty?
Mustard oil. Without mustard oil, it won't taste that great.
Mustard oil must. And it's also healthy, Boiled mashed potatoes, good salad, and fried puri.
Fried puri.
Chalta hai na?
You're balancing everything. Mini pani puri style.
Just like pani puri, imagine. Entire family sits across the table and dip in the puri and the salad. Wow. It gets even more tasty, isn't it? Wow. Puri with cabbage salad. Just something you should have it. Make it, eat it with your family, and enjoy.
With your puri.
Okay. Eat it with your family or eat with your puri and enjoy. Wow.